Folks, we're back. We got a nice little Kia Rondo for you. This is an LX with a V6 in it, 70,000 original miles on it. This vehicle's from Florida, no rust on it, no accidents, clean Carfax certification. Car drives to 110%. Again, it's from Florida, so it has no rust on it. Doesn't appear to ever been in the snow. Non-smoker. Windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD, auxiliary line in. Check it out. 75,000 original miles, folks. Ready to go. Qualifies for a guaranteed credit approval program. And this one's going to start at $595 starting down. It's one of our cheapest in our inventory so far. Nice little car, folks. Dialed in, great brakes, newer tires, full service and safety inspection, 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline, and guaranteed credit approval program. We are platinum members of the guaranteed credit approval program. When other guarantees can't get you done, come to the real one, folks. DasCleveland.com, 5333 Lorraine Avenue, corner of 53rd and Lorraine. Online at DasCleveland.com.